Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated just behind this panel here, so we need to remove it to access the battery. We do that by getting our small flat-headed screwdriver and we pressing on that little clip down there, which releases a clip just inside here which pops open the case. Like so. And then you can just get your little screwdriver and just prise the case open like that. And there you go. There's your key fob battery. Just get your screwdriver underneath it and we just remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get our new key fob battery, we just simply pop it back into the housing, like so, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And we just pop the case back on, make sure everything lines up, click it in place like so, and there you go. It's all done.